Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage and moderate the comments that you're getting on your courses so that you can keep your comment sections clean and remove any spam or unwanted comments. Now, in the last lesson, I showed you how to enable comments on all of your posts, and we've actually dropped a couple of test comments. So what we're going to do now in this video is I'm going to show you how to see them all without having to go into each individual course. Now, to get to this screen here on the products page, we went to memberships, and then on top we went to courses, and we came down here into products. To see that, it's really simple. You're going to see this little manage comments button, which is here. We're going to click on that, and you will see all of the comments that were left on either all of your courses, or you can actually split between your different courses where they were left, and it will show you what course it was left on and then what lesson it was left on. In this screen, as an admin, as a moderator, you can actually do a couple of things. If you want, someone left you an instructor-only comment that you want to make public, you can go in there and now everybody will be able to see that comment, especially if it's a really good question that you think that a lot of people can benefit from. Obviously, if somebody leaves a comment that wants to remain confidential, don't just put everybody on blast like that. But if they ask a really good question, but they just happen to leave it instructor only, and it's something that's very common, you can make that public there as well. If somebody leaves something that you only want you to see, you can flip it back to instructor only, or what you can also do is you can delete the comment altogether, and that will remove it. The only thing that you can do here too is once everything is, let's say it's a public comment, you can reply. You can go here, test reply to comment, and then you can reply there. And this will actually put it from a reply from the instructor to the student there. And there's no limit to how deep these comment threads can go, but typically 2 or 3 levels is about all that you want to keep replying to as the instructor. But again, inside here, you'll see that I'll have the 2 comments here inside. I will refresh my screen. And you can see now that the other 1 comment was removed, the public comment was left, and then the instructor reply is right through here. So that's how you moderate comments inside of Lead Vortex. I will see you in another video.